In today's video, I'm going to teach you Asana AI Studio. How to create your AI teammate. 5 minutes will start inside Asana. Log into your account and make sure you're in the correct workspace for your team. In the top right, click your profile icon and open the admin console. If you don't see the admin console, you may need admin permissions, so check with your workspace admin. In the admin console, go to Settings, then find the Asana AI section. Enable Asana AI. This switch turns on AI capabilities for your organization, and you can adjust it later if needed. With AI enabled, head back to your home view and open a project where you want the AI to help. Choose a project that already has tasks or a process you'd like to streamline. Inside the project, click Customize in the top bar, then Open Rules. Select Add to create a new rule. Here you can choose Create with AI Studio for a custom setup or pick a pre-built template if you want something quick. Templates are great for common workflows, while AI Studio gives you more control over triggers and actions. Now, let's put your AI teammate to work. Treat it like any team member. In a task, mention or assign the task to the AI teammate, and provide clear, actionable instructions such as create a brief for this campaign. The more context you include, like goals, audience, and links to relevant tasks or docs, the better the output. Add due dates and priority so the AI can schedule effectively. You can also ask questions directly in tasks or comments, and the AI will respond in context based on the information it can access. If you expect the AI to pull from a document or spreadsheet, make sure it has permission to view those files in your workspace. When the AI produces drafts, you'll typically find them in linked docs or sheets. Open the draft, review it, and provide feedback right in the task or the document. Approve when it's ready or ask for revisions. Clear, specific feedback helps the AI iterate and improve over time. Finally, use AI Studio rules to automate actions. For example, when a new IT ticket is created, you can have the AI automatically ask clarifying questions to capture missing details. Test your rule with a sample task to confirm the trigger and action behave as expected, then roll it out to your team. And that's it. Your AI teammate is ready to help you move work forward with clarity and speed.